Okay, this is an ESB listening practice test number 2. Like last time, please listen to the audio and then there will be a yes or no question to follow.
Level 2 in ESOL Skills for Life. Set C, Text 1. Finally, on our news programme today, we want to report on an interesting find in London. When builders were clearing an area around the railway, they found some very old leather shoes with holes in them. Next, they found some bone ice skates, and then some old dolls and other toys. The Museum of London sent some archaeologists along to have a look. One of them, Bob Tring, told us that he thought the leather shoes were probably second-hand and worn by poor Londoners. They had been repaired and patched, often more than once. He said that in medieval days there was a successful trade in patched and mended clothes and footwear. In the 12 and 1300s, an average pair of shoes cost about 5 or 6 pence, approximately the same amount as a skilled labourer earned in a day. Bob Tring explained, children only went to school if their parents were rich enough. So children, if they were poor, went to work as soon as they were able to, and were sometimes as young as 7. He said that many of them went into service, working as maids or page boys, or in other jobs in wealthier households. However, he said that there seemed to be some time for playing, and the toys that were found were probably from the 1100s. There is a description of play in the late 1100s, which describes boys playing ball, and in the winter going sledging and skating using animal bone skates. He was very pleased with the discovery and hoped that the Museum of London would be able to display the items.
Okay, so the first question is for A. Yes or no, this is a news item about the Museum of London. The next question is for B. Yes or no, this is about a discovery. Okay, so you've made your choices, yes or no. The answers will be in the next video. Now, here are your questions, your detailed questions. So these are for A. Number 1, what did the builders find first? Number 2, who did the Museum of London send to have a look? Number 3, where did children used to work? So I'll say those again. What did the builders find first? Who did the Museum of London send to have a look? And where did children used to work? The questions for B now. How much did an experienced labourer used to earn every day? Did children go to school in those days? And the last question, how did boys play in the 1100s? So I'll say those again for B. How much did an experienced labourer used to earn every day? Did children go to school in those days? And how did boys play in the 1100s? Please write down your answers. They will be in the next video. Thank you.